for you is more than 5 million naira. You know that issue. You know the issue. You know the issue.
Only the coil will carry move, go the coil move, carry that. But this section now, nothing to us. They just want to talk. And to all use and put all the gasket. They work as they say, people, nothing they do. We have to do it myself. The coil, 7,000. Not the coil. 700. Coil. The coil engine how much? Coil engine how much? But now only the coil 700,000. The engine and the coil.
You are the owner of this burnt environment.
Yes, sir.
And I believe this is your workshop.
Yes, sir.
This is a carpentry workshop that is very industrial, and we can see the colossal loss, particularly to properties. Here we cannot quantify, but you know what the fire has consumed. What is the estimate of damage, particularly when you put it to money value? What is the value? Of what has been damaged by the fire?
This way damage for here, some almost 6 to 7 million. Wow. People things, including my own, my engine, everything will go at least 10 to 11 million.
Okay. This interview is being done in Mile 2 Sagbama, where the owner of this workshop, situated in the water side of Mile 2 Sagbama, carpentry workshop, where the whole of Sagbama know him to be Clement. And there was a fire, a phenom, that happened on Thursday in the afternoon.
The morning,
okay, in the morning hour,
9 o'clock to
where
12 o'clock.
the lister that you can see in the water side was even on, and then there was thunder that was also bloating, and before they know it, from this other end here, there was a sound, and they don't know what happened, whether it was the thunder that ignited to the generator, and this inferno happened. And you can see the level of damage we've heard from him. Over 7 million worth of property has been burnt, and we need the government to really help and to intervene in this matter. It's a private owner in the business, not in partnership with government, but however, the government need to come to his aid. We are appealing to the government of Bayelsa State, particularly the governor, Senator Doye Diri, who had been the vanguard of prosperity in Bayelsa, to help to assist this entrepreneur who has been working tooth and nail to see how they do furniture work in Sagbama and the metropolis. Come to his aid. Come to his aid, because this is one of the disasters we can call an emergency, and the government needs to come to help. I believe, Mr. Clement, from the damages, can you start soon on your own, or you need the government intervention? You need help. You need help from government.
I know that Governor Doidere, he even know me. They see me from Facebook. I'm the non-DG Vice Chairman, Sagbama. Everybody know me, they see me on Facebook.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
God bless you.